Hello, Kyle here with week 4 on my progress with my Doom Horizon Snap Map custom map. Yeah, this week I did a lot of work on the front bridge area and the set dressing, including that ending sequence. Instead of just pushing a console to finish the map, we added some escape in a cryo chamber. We added the first half of the lights on the ship. The whole ship comes and the light changes when you turn on the power sequence. We need to finish that next week. And then we experimented a bit with player demon powers. And also we added an inventory management system so you keep your weapons when you die. But yeah, like I said, most of this week was spent on the front half of the ship over here in the bridge area. So instead of just a blank bridge, we have now set dressed, a starship's bridge. When the player comes into here, they'll have a few objectives to do. They need to grab the navigation core and fill this slot in order to make this computer active. And then the computer, once you've filled all 5 oxygen canisters as well, um, will allow you to turn on the ship, engage your navigation to leave as a lifeboat. So the player is going to end the level by using this area to escape. What I've set up here is sort of a cryopod chamber so that the player, while they're over here, once they have engaged the ship, set the navigation core, we have enough oxygen to make our trip, and we're on our way, you're going to have to put yourself into cryo sleep to end the level. So I worked on a little sequence where the camera comes into this chamber, and you can kind of see some foggy glass behind it. I'll show that off in just a moment. So yeah, also worked on some experimenting with some demon powers over here, letting the player turn into a demon after they sort of finished they killed the demon boss over here. It's an interesting thought, but I'm not sure I'm going to put it in the final level, but it's fun to play with. So jumping forward here, okay, and this is rooms where I'm trying to experiment with the demon powers a bit. This console here is the power terminal. It will restart the power once we clear out this nest. So we have this demon fight here. And once you kill the demon, it spawns this, um, which turns you into, yeah, like a Baron of Hell, and you can run around and have these demon powers. Again, not sure how this fits in with the level. My initial thought was that maybe you slowly turn into a demon as the level goes on, but with the way Snap Map works, it seems you can't unchange from the demon after you do it. So, moving forward. And here's the power on sequence once you do get the gray power core. That turns on this machine, and now you can engage it to reset the power, which changes the lights in the level from the dark haze. It also opens up that portal, but the dark haze into this light. So instead of being, yep, dark and hazy now, the rest of this level should appear like the lights are on and the power's functioning, which gives a different atmosphere on your way back to the front. Yeah. Okay, so the front bridge section, once the player has restored power, they'll be able to open the door. Once you've restored all 5 of the oxygen canisters, then you'll be able to engage the computer. But yeah, I just staged it with some windows to panels and everything. Designed all these, by piece in hand to make it sort of look like a front area. This is what the cryo chamber looks like before we enter it. Currently not working. But yep, we get the yellow nav core down there where it says get the navigation core, but I have a dev tool to just give it to myself real quick here. So let's grab the nav core, plug it in, and then we show that navigation core online. We have oxygen online, and now we can use this computer. Nav core online, activate. And now a light comes on back here because this is how the player will end the level. With a timed sequence that shows you getting inside the chamber. Now we're inside the cryopod and we're slowly being turned to sleep. Going to add some audio cues and some more visuals there, but this is actually the end of the level screen. It's sort of, instead of the victory screen, it's showing this right now. But yep, going to polish it up, but that shows the end sequence of the level, and the rest is just adding the rest of the demon fights. So thanks for watching.